Laki, Pentusi Miriki turned to love chinky, Ludan la Chedonki, Chesu Nimusunzi Shuche, Shinki Ligu on the Genzi movement, Mazumira Sabi Shinki Namla, Gaga Laki Shinda, Laga, Tishi Miriki Samboda, Pudun Tatsuki, Tonam Shuchi Yongi Shegi, Lerim. Today, the Regional Tibetan Youth Congress of New York, New Jersey is not only commemorating Olorang's life, legacy, and sacrifice through prayers, but also creating a space for Tibetan youth to share their thoughts on responsibility towards the Tibetan cause, and how we can actively participate in future activities and movements. 먼저 신기 기술실 나외 레림 디토 준비 주베 팀즈바 군주 도마 야가 상라네 도마 소시는규. Today, as a part of our youth speech program, we are honored to welcome our guest speaker, Attorney Kunju Dolma to share her thoughts, wisdom, and words of encouragement to our younger generation.